the Brow Makeover Kit from my DIY collection to make you your own brow expert. This has 2 long-lasting brow shades. I take a bit of the product with the light shade first. These products are highly pigmented, less is more, and I gently fill it in. And when I get to the tip, I use the darker shade and I blend the light and the dark shade together so that it can give you a 3D effect. And use concealer. Draw a fine thin line just beneath her brow line. Pops your eyebrows, it accentuates your shape and gives you an instant lift. To top it off, we have mascara gel. It is tinted to amp up your brow